Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to auto admit the students in the Google Meet. So let's start the video. So first, I'll open my Google Chrome. So here is our Google Meet. Now we have to add the extension for auto admit. For that, I will type Meet auto admit. So this is our extension. We can say Chrome extension. So here you can select Meet Auto Admit. So this is a Google Web, no Chrome Web Store. So here you should select Add to Chrome. Just check it and select Add Extension. So once you add the extension, here you can see. So here showing Meet Auto Admit has been added to Chrome, right? So next, okay, then okay. So here you can see we have this option, right? I'll pin this extension. Next, once you open, you can see here we have two options, switch on and switch off. If you want to auto admit, you just select switch on. The automatically whenever the students enter the classroom, automatically it will admit the students. And if you want to off this, you can select switch off. So this is all about how to use the Google Meet and how to use the extension, the two auto admit. Thank you everyone and bye.